Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're at Tenpin in Milton Keynes for the half-term holidays, and I'm so excited because this place is totally different from our usual play area spots. Alright, quick parking tip before we head in. If you see red lines, that means it's free parking. But make sure you park in the right area and pop into reception to register your car so you don't get a ticket, okay? Now seriously, just look at this place. It's so beautiful. Can't wait to show you around, so stay tuned and let's explore together. We had so much fun here. There are loads of games, some take £1 or £2 coins, and others are completely free, which is awesome. You can also pay with your card, but honestly, we didn't even notice the time because we were having such a blast.
The kids had a lot of fun, and you can tell that they were so occupied, so much to do, which was amazing. But make sure you have money because you're gonna pay £1 here, £2 here, but it was all worth it. What a fun destination without exploring what it has to offer. Make sure you book in advance because there's a lot of activities going on, a lot of parties, a lot of family get together. So make sure you always book in advance and stay tuned for more.
For lunch, we ordered some delicious food and drinks. And oh my gosh, they have the best chips ever. Seriously, so good. After that, we jumped straight back into more games and laughter. Like always, time just flew by way too fast. That's how you know it was a good day.
And that comes to the end of this video. If you do want more of these kind of destination videos, do check out my page for more exciting places, and comment below if you've got any other ideas for me to post. Thank you for watching and stay tuned as usual. Bye for now.